Hi everyone, and welcome to a new English lesson. Adjectives ending in ed and ing. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to recognize the difference between adjectives ending in ed and adjectives ending in ing. To use these adjectives to talk about your feelings and describe events you've experienced. Off we go. Let's study this. Look at the following examples. Look at the photo. There's a girl watching TV, a movie, on TV. How does she feel? She feels frightened. But first of all, we need to know, what does frightened mean? It means scared. And why is she frightened? Because the movie is so frightening. Look at the second photo. Isn't it frightening? We will continue the examples with some emojis. What face does the emoji show? The emoji is annoyed. Why is he annoyed? Because he's standing in line. But wait, do you know what annoyed mean? If not, I will tell you. It's angry. So he's angry, he's annoyed, and he's impatient too. Let's study this. What face does the emoji show? The emoji is embarrassed. And why is he embarrassed? Because he's speaking in public, and embarrassed means shy. What face does the emoji show? It shows surprise. Look at his open mouth and eyes. The emoji is surprised. Why is he surprised? Because his father bought him a gift. So good for you. You have a present today. So, she feels frightened. The movie or the film is frightening. What's the rule? You are or you feel plus adjective plus ed, and someone or something is plus adjective plus ing. So we need to remember that the adjective plus ing refers to a cause, and an adjective plus ed refers to a result or an impact. Let's practice. Complete the following table. So this is a table of adjectives that we need to complete using the two rules we've already studied with I am and I feel and it is. So let's begin with the adjective amuse. We say amuse, I am amused, it is amusing. I feel annoyed, it is annoying. I am excited, it is exciting. I am surprised, it is surprising. I feel embarrassed, it is embarrassing. Go for it! But first I need to tell you that if you wanted to remember it without every day watching the video, or you can't remember the rule, so you can screenshot it on your mobile phone and share it to your friends, or you can also share the video to help them learn. So tell me about your feelings in the comments, like in the example. I feel excited when I eat out. I feel annoyed while queuing. I feel annoyed while queuing. I feel surprised when I get the best mark in my class. I feel bored when I don't have access to Wi-Fi connection, because I can't play my best games, my favorite games. And I feel embarrassed when I speak in public. I feel frightened when I make a mistake in the final exams, because my dad is going to shout at me. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want it, you can share it with your friends. Goodbye till another lesson.